So in the first part, we are going to finish the step from here. We are finishing the end step, that is 7A in the first part. So now we are entering into the part 2, right? So the sequence goes like this. As you're finishing the step here, you're going to put your right leg in the front. One, right leg, hands to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you finish this one, you're going to turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in your left hand and right hand. 5, 6. When you do this, you need a little bit jump. That is 5, 6. Same thing opposite wise. Bend your knee, bend your body, turn the opposite wise. Again, you put your left hand into open your hand. That is goes 5, 6. Okay. So I repeat the whole sequence. As you finish here, 7, 8 in the first part, end step. Second part, next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right after finishing this one, same finger movements we have seen in the first part. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to quick jump and go. Okay? So right after finishing this one, we go to the next flow, which it goes after finishing here. You're going to lift your right leg, jump 1, 2, then 3 and 4. As if you're looking something, 3 and 4. Okay. Now 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The left hand will be on the right shoulder. Same thing opposite. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Followed by this, using right leg, pointing up to the hands to the corner. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Followed by this, remember your left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Followed by this one, you're going to move to the right side. It's a 4 bits of music. You're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit jump. Hold your hands here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Followed by this, swing your hands, right leg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we do this one only for 2 times, as in how we finish here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here after that, we'll use it to the female voice, which goes like this. You're going to use your left leg up, jump on right leg. So using your left hand, I'll show you. 1, 2. So remember your right hand will be here as well. Okay? So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, wait a minute. Hold your finger, walk back. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So by the time you turn 8, remember your legs will be, your footwork will be in this way. I repeat one more time. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8, remember footwork. Then your hands, turn your hands here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right after that, you'll find a male voice, so you have to do a little bit more manually. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do one more time. So after finishing here, 7, 8, you're going to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we finishes part 2. Let's do the music.